I'm Jared Armstrong with the Armstrong Real Estate Team, and what I'm showing you here is a Matterport tour of our latest listing, 12 Shadwell in the Leslie and Lawrence community. And this home, it needs a reno. This is a good one for the builders, the renovators, and the contractors. But if you've seen this listing and you kind of flip through, static images of a property, and you think that the home needs a massive amount of work, it's this opportunity that I wanted to take you through the property in a virtual 3D capacity and maybe give you some ideas about what it does need. Not really reference the costs, but really the big ticket items that I would cover that maybe would convince you to take an opportunity and take a chance to take a look at the property. Because with a small budget, you're really only talking about flooring, paint. This home was lived in for 30 years by tenants. There's a fantastic opportunity to do and spend some more money and really make it a 10 out of 10 showstopper. But it's a 3-bedroom bungalow, incredible community. I would be, number one, I'd be opening up this kitchen wall and make this an open concept kitchen. We've got a great separate entrance to the basement, but also to the outside. Um, Hardwood floors, pot lights, paint job. These are the obviouses, but look, it's only a little bit of work here to make it a 10 out of 10, as I said. So great bedroom. I'm just pulling you through to the master. Obviously, there's a mattress here in our Matterport tour that didn't get taken out, but if you buy the house, we can certainly throw it in. If it were me, I would try and encroach on the dining room space that I was just in, reduce the closet size, and maybe give the opportunity to put an ensuite bathroom in here. There's another 2 bedrooms, big bright open windows. We've got like 70s style tiles here in the bathroom. Obviously, this needs a gut job, but we're not talking about anything structural here at 12 Shadwell. This is a home with just really good bones. I'm just pulling you through the listing here. Really good bones, plenty of ceiling height, and plenty of space. I think we're 1,170, maybe almost 1,200 square feet upstairs. And the great thing about a bungalow is you've got that large open space in the basement. And by opening up this old wall here, you could really have this massive open space, games room, family room. But we're dealing with drywall. We're dealing with flooring. You're not dealing with jacking up a basement. You're not dealing with underpinning a property. I would try and take a look at this home. My number is 416-457-1722. It's Jared Armstrong from the Armstrong team. If you see this listing online and you've got the photos are a stumbling block because they represent work, give us a call. Let us take you through the property. Maybe this gives you a sense of the home. And if it's not for you, then during a pandemic, we've saved you the hassle of taking a look at the home. But this is what I would buy. And these are the homes that I've invested in over the last 20 years. I'm not here to pay for someone else's renovations. I'd love to show you what renovations could be done to get you into the home. And I would say this is the opportunity of this November, December 2020. We're multi-million-dollar homes within the community. You could tear this home down. You could add a second story. You could do a renovation. And the simplest, easiest money here is to do the cosmetic changes and make it a showstopper. However you're watching this, I'll put a link up or down wherever you see it so that you can get access to this Matterport tour. We've got a great video. And give it a chance. Give us a call and let's come through, take a look at the home together.